Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Step. In today's video, we're gonna see how we can reverse a video in Filmora. Let's first import the file that we want to reverse by clicking on this import media files, and select the video file and open it. So add it to the timeline and play how it looks originally. Play, then a fountain appear in the video first. Then after some time, we have a look to the flower. What if we want to show the flower first and the fountain later? Can be achieved in just one single step. Here's what you need to do. Select the file in the timeline, go to the speedometer, click on it, and at the very last there is reverse. Now click on it. So let's see how the video has turned out. Play. The flowers are coming first, then the fountain. There you have it. A very simple guide to reversing a video in Filmora. I hope you guys liked that video update similar to this one. Do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.